Today I am just going to inform about a web link. Actually, that web link is called Askyourpdf. So as the name informs that you just upload a PDF and ask what inside in the PDF and just retrieve the information from that PDF using AI tool and CHAT GPT tool. So that's a simple thing. You just input is ask your PDF. That's it. And ask your PDF is actually CHAT GPT based tool, and here you just input that say ask your PDF here, and with this tool you just retrieve the information. So you just go through the tools and by ask your PDF by interacting PDF conversation powered by CHAT GPT, and actually they are transforming the way of the interact with PDF powered by CHAT GPT. So it's a very wealthy and healthy tool. And what exactly you would like to do? Suppose I have an article, and actually that's my article, and I'm one of the author of this article, and that's a review article recently published, and they're related with antiplatelet drugs and potential therapeutic option for the management of neurodegenerative disease. So a lot of things, some different enzymes and different inhibitors are involved here. So that's a very good and very long review. I always welcome that you have to just come here and have to review this one. But if you like to just get information with a very ease and just information with best of your ease and just like this, so you may just go through. Suppose this is a cyclooxygenase inhibitor. So I already had asked what is the role of the cyclooxygenase inhibitor in neurodegeneration. Actually, that's question I would like to ask. So just copy this one, and better you just upload this file here. So you just open, either you just upload this document here or you just upload from URL link. So I would prefer that I have to just upload this document. So this document is going to be uploaded, and the beauty of that, if they are just going to upload it at the same time they are just using the CHAT GPT, and they just retrieve all the information from that tool, and ultimately they just cover all this information. They also told that okay, you may ask all these things question, and better they suppose hello, I am a multilingual document assistant and I can assist you these things, and they just describe it brief information about neurodegeneration related with Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson. And here there's some possible question you may ask. This is question 1, question 2, question 3, and they may also ask, and please feel free to ask me any question if you would like. So I already asked a question, and actually that is what is the role of cyclooxygenase in neurodegeneration. So that's my question, and they will inform that cyclooxygenase is a COX enzyme and it's a role in production of prostaglandin, a lot of things, and they just paragraph you what exactly inside it in that document. So with this information, you just retrieve the information from that document only, because if you just input this COX oxidase role in neurodegeneration in the CHAT GPT, so they will cover a lot of information. But if you would like to just get information from that document, so that's a very easy and loving tool. So I strongly recommend that you have to use this tool for research and such type of things. And if you also would like to some other tools and some other books, suppose in other language like some Hebrew language or Turkish language or some other language, so you may also use different language like Hindi, and some, if you like some spiritual book like Ramayana and Srimad Bhagavad Gita and a lot of things, so you may also ask question from that thing. So that's the beauty of these tools, and I strongly recommend that you have to use these tools for your future endeavors in the particular in the field of research, and also some other books, some spiritual book and some other book. So thank you for watching, and just please be with me and keep scrolling and just subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.